is my little show called What's in My Closet. यहाँ हम कुछ story times करेंगे. We're going to talk about some fun pieces and moments from my closet that are positive or negative, and we're going to rate them on if we want to keep the item, if we want to tailor the item, or do we want to give them to you, do we want to do a giveaway, or simply should we just donate the clothes. So today's episode is going to be really special and fun because आज हम 3 ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं which I feel like एक तो आपने देखा होगा. For example, my Huda beauty outfit. This is an insane story time coming up, but before it comes up, like, share and subscribe to the channel because you guys are going to be seeing more videos of what's in my closet from this week onward. So I thought, what would be the best way to show off clothes, show off the new almari without sounding pompous? So we thought, and by we I mean Hussein and I thought that actually, this is Hussein's idea. I'm not even going to take credit. And today's episode is all about the clothes that I have worn that have caused a controversy that wasn't in my head and it actually happened. You guys have never called me out for my fashion sense, and that was a title I wore with so much confidence कि, you know, Ayla can't make a bad fit until last year, July, when I was meeting Huda Beauty. And the best part about this almari is that I can just bend and bring up the look. This was my waist. And that's, I mean, if you look at it right now, it doesn't look that bad. But inserting the video where I'm like thumping to meet Huda and I go like, woo! And then you see the entire backside caress. I think I'm like TMIing the details. But guys, I really didn't think I looked fat. That's the thing. And that's when I look back and I'm like, how? Like, I am that secure in my body. And I paired this with a white top. Again, वो बहुत asymmetrical हो गया था when I look back at it. The white heart shirt, I don't even have it anymore, to be really honest. Like that shirt, I don't know what I did with it. It was a heart. And then I thought, oh my God. Yes, then I thought another way for me to show off my almari without really showing it off. Okay. These sunglasses were my favorite find of like summer 2024. If you guys know, these Miu Mius were very hard to get. So right now with a smaller face, I believe these still kind of do justice. Like, okay, they're looking cute, but on my round face. Continuing on the pants wagon, I have to show you guys this one pair of pants. And I know I have it. ये मैंने at least 2022 में ली थी. I got these in 2022 in Turkey, Bershka, and I fell in love. And I fell in love, yeah. And I really liked these pants because they were black and comfy, but they also had stripes. The stripes are very minimal. They are going to go nowhere. Guys, these are my other pants. And I think I lived in these for 3 years easily. 2022 full, 2022, 23, 1 year, 3 to 4. Yeah, at least for 2 years I lived in them. इनके बारे में आपको कुछ खास नहीं लग रहा, मेरे लिए बहुत खास थे. They would hide my big stomach. They hide my big waist. And they're so comfortable. And like, there's so many ways I've styled this. Like, I'm inserting all the pictures of when I've styled these. I've styled this casually. I've styled this formally. I've styled this in every capacity. मैंने कोई event नहीं छोड़ा और मैंने कोई casual setting नहीं छोड़ी जहाँ मैंने ये नहीं पहनी थी. This with tank tops, this with full sleeves, full sleeve tops, this with blazers. And it's a really versatile pant. And I feel like nowadays, if I had to style this, I would style it like the way I'm wearing it. Black top, black pants, monochromatic. You look like you put more effort. Like when you just wear the same color, अगर आपने ऐसे कपड़े पहने, you'll just think, oh my God, Ayla कितना effort डालती है. Wow, looks so matching. So pretty much. And see, it looks so good with black. And also has like belt loops, मुझे belts का उतना शौक नहीं है. Comment below if like you guys are belt people or not, but it has belt loops and you can always add chain belts to make it even more fun and formal. Now, moving on to pants. I like wearing now when I'm skinnier. मेरा जो एक ज़िंदगी का मकसद वो है कि I'm gonna make really pretty couture dresses for myself and maybe I'll sell them. But मुझे वो इतने प्यारे बनाने, मुझे comfortable बनाने. So imagine the lining of these dresses to be like this terry material. The pants actually say going all in. Please comment below if we are, I think it does. I love these. I just love sweatpants. I love that it's nada is inside so you don't have your nadas like outside. Also these shout out LFA nadas inside, you know, just vibes. And they're thin. They're not like really thick because Karachi में सर्दियाँ नहीं होती. As much as we want to say our 19 degrees is like Antarctica weather, it is not. And I get it. I respect it. So your sweatpants have to be breathable. Like ये ऐसी sweatpants है जो मैं घर में पहन के lounge कर सकती हूँ या मैं gym जा सकती हूँ या मैं groceries कर सकती हूँ. And if it's a really cold day and I don't feel like wearing a pajama and sleeping, I'm just saying. So all in all, these I wear now. These are really comfy. I wouldn't style this formally because maybe that's not me anymore. Like 22-year-old Ayla could maybe put a blazer and shit on this. But there's some fashion rules I like to follow now. One being, इतने lazy नहीं बनो styling के साथ. If you're going out और अगर आप एक formal setting में जा रहे हैं, I think एक respect की बात होती है जब आप एक dress code को follow करते हैं, उस पर like एहतराम रखते हैं. Because like if someone is putting in the effort to dress up for you, I agree fashion can be anything, but don't show up to like a meeting in sweatpants is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this was the pant series, I guess, and see you guys next in my closet. Bye.